He went outside to find a raccoon stuck in his ceiling, and since he didn't want to touch it, he had the idea of giving him a rope to hold onto and trying to pull him out.
Alright, buddy, hang on. Come on, let's get your fat ass out of here. Oh. Come on.
But unfortunately, he was really stuck and it didn't work. So we thought they might as well try this again, and this raccoon was really dedicated to this plan, holding onto this rope as tight as he could, ready for another go. And after a while, he finally started to get out, with just one more foot left to get loose.
You did it. Come on. Get down. See ya.